Welcome to Design and Technology. My name is Ms. Koch. I'm Head of Design and Technology, and I'm here today to talk about DT as a GCSE options. At Kingsdale, we offer AQA Design and Technology with the Timber specialism. The GCSE is assessed in two parts, 50% NEA and 50% exam. Now, whilst we are training the students to be most successful in their GCSE, we really want in those years make sure that the students start thinking like designers. We want them to look at the world around them, and we want them to start being empathetic towards other people's needs and wants. We really focus on bringing up their creativity and train them on lots of machines and tools to gain new skills and to make their confidence grow. Now, lots of students really enjoy the making element of design and technology at Key Stage 3. Unfortunately, for the final NEA, the manufactured outcomes carries very little weight. However, the students still need to work out and design a product and describe how they would be making it. So for the students to be able to actually state materials and state the processes they are choosing, we still need to do lots and lots of making. Year 9, the transition year, is pretty much all about making. There's lots of focus practical tasks, and we surround the focus practical task with theory elements so that most of that information, or lots of that information, hopefully gets stuck and connected to practical kind of skills, so that when it comes to exam time, the students can combine and recall information as necessary. And in year 10, we start the NEA practice. We want the students to understand the user. We want them to understand how to turn the challenge word, which is given at the beginning of June, into a problem that is worthwhile solving. We really need them to understand the user needs and wants. By looking at products, by looking and understanding, and by empathy, they really get an idea of how the user sits in the center of a successful design solution. So, for example, if you look at the elephant, what are his needs and wants? What needs to change on a headset for an elephant, and what would stay the same? And they always need to kind of understand that obviously it's always the same kind of process. It doesn't matter how silly the project is, the process will always stay the same. You always investigate, design, make, and evaluate. Now, 50% is the exam, and here are some of the theory topics. Materials is one big element, materials and sustainability. Now, it's really easy at the moment to kind of talk about plastic and understand about the plastic pollution. And we all kind of think that the plastic bag is the root of all evil. However, if you really kind of look at the life cycle analysis, you kind of understand that Gustav Thulin, the inventor of the plastic bag, he actually tried to save the world. He wanted to step away from paper bags to create something that would use less material, less energy, and preserve the woods. So those are the kind of thoughts and the information you'll gain in DT. Other kind of theory covered is new and emergent technology, energy, basic systems, mechanisms, materials, sustainability, and CAD/CAM. Now, studying DT. DT is not just for students who want to do a creative career afterwards. DT is for everybody. Employees really enjoy, really like the skills gained through a DT GCSE. The ability to kind of understand numeracy and literacy in the application. Students start to become problem solvers. They definitely become teamwork, sharing and caring and learning from each other. Time management, self-motivation, and they have really good communication skills. However, if you do decide to go into design, then there's lots and lots of opportunity. Now, if any of this got you thinking, do get in touch. Just email me with tkh@kingsdale.southwark.sch.uk. And if your son or daughter feels like they're not quite sure, they can always come to the taster sessions on the 16th of March. Thank you very much for listening. Goodbye.